Honorable members, it is with profound sorrow that I refer to the passing away of Srimati Chandrakala Pandey, Professor Vijay Kumar Malhotra, and Sri Ask Ali Tak of the House, former members of the House. Srimati Chandrakala Pandey passed away on the 17th of September 2025 at the age of 83 years. She served as the member of Rajya Sabha representing the state of West Bengal for 2 consecutive terms from August 1993 to August 1999 and August 1999 to August 2005. Born on 8th June 1942 at Azamkar in Uttar Pradesh, Srimati Pandey was a distinguished academician, an accomplished Hindi scholar, and a dedicated public representative. She served as the professor and head of the Department of Hindi at the University of Calcutta, where she guided generations of students and earned deep respect for her scholarship, simplicity, and human approach. A noted poet, she authored 2 acclaimed poetry collections titled Agas Khagan Hai and Uchal Nagin Hai Mera Sapta. Her collections of poems was released as an album, Sagar Bahi, in 2001. She contributed extensively to Hindi literary discourse and served as a co-editor of the well-known magazine Samik Chindan for many years. As a parliamentarian, Srimati Pandey brought to the proceedings of this House the perspective of an educationist, a literary figure, and a public intellectual deeply invested in social issues. In the passing away of Srimati Chandrakala Pandey, the country has lost a respected academic, a gifted poet, and a dedicated parliamentarian. Professor Vijay Kumar Malhotra passed away on the 30th of September 2025 at the age of 93. He served as a member of the Rajya Sabha representing the National Capital Territory of Delhi from January 1994 to October 1999. Born on 3rd December 1931 at Lahore in undivided India, Professor Malhotra, a distinguished public leader, devoted more than 6 decades of his life to the public service, emerging as one of the foremost political figures in the national capital. Professor Malhotra began his career as a lecturer at Delhi University and was later elected as the Chief Executive Councillor of Delhi in 1967. He served multiple terms in public office, including 4 terms as a member of Lok Sabha from Delhi and 2 terms as the member of the Delhi Legislative Assembly. Professor Malhotra was widely respected for his simplicity, integrity, organizational skills, and deep understanding of constitutional and public issues. He also made significant contributions in the field of sports administration, for which he was fondly remembered by his colleagues across political lines. In the passing away of Professor Vijay Kumar Malhotra, the nation has lost a veteran statesman, an experienced parliamentarian, and a distinguished public figure who played an influential role in shaping contemporary political life in Delhi. Sri Ask Ali Tak passed away on the 5th of October 2025 at the age of 67. He served as the member of Rajya Sabha representing the state of Rajasthan from July 2010 to July 2016. Born on 7th July 1958 in Hanumangarh, district of Rajasthan, Sri Askali Tak was a distinguished public representative whose political journey spanned several decades. He served as the member of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly for 2 terms and as a minister in the government of Rajasthan, holding several portfolios. He also served as the chairman of the Rajasthan State Minorities Commission. Known for his deep grassroots connect, Sri Tak was widely admired for his approachability and organizational capability. Throughout his political career, he worked actively for the welfare of minorities, youth, and socially disadvantaged communities. In the passing away of Sri Asq Ali Tak, the country has lost a capable administrator, a dedicated social and political worker, and an able parliamentarian. We deeply mourn the passing away of Srimati Chandrakala Pandey, Professor Vijay Kumar Malhotra, Sri Asq Ali Tak. I request the members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed.